Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to analyze data quickly and creatively using Canva AI. Canva AI tools makes it easy to turn raw data into stunning visuals and insights. No complex tools needed, no coding. Join me. Click on AI here or come to this page and click on Canva AI. Canva AI. Then in the search box, input your prompt. This is my own prompt. Enable it to load on this button. It's beginning to generate the code. The code is being generated. Our visual has been created. This is the dashboard, and the answers to the questions on the prompt that are inputted are being displayed on the dashboard. These are the answers. This is the charts. These are the charts. The visuals are very stunning and interactive. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more educational series from our channel. Thank you for watching.